Okay, so guys, uh, we started previously in the last 6 or 7 sessions. We already speak about SQL things, right? Okay, for that one, we should use any one of the database server, right? Okay, so for practicing purpose, and meanwhile, if you want to practice SQL in a real time, how it works, okay, for that one, we have a website. It's not website actually, it's one of the host, okay, web host. For example, if you were developing one particular web application, if you develop one particular web application, okay, if you want to be if you want to be work with database in a backend, okay, make sure that we need to host your web application, and a backend we should write the SQL code, SQL queries. The things we will discuss now. This is the 00webhost.com. It's a free of cost, okay. So what we can do, we can work only on one or two data. We can just create only two databases only, okay. So that's the reason I just preferred that 000webhost.com. There we can able to go for sign in, and if you don't have sign up, if you don't have it, you can go and sign up, okay. So once if you sign up, okay, so you can able to log in. The process you already know it, how we can log in, okay. So same like how we log in website or Gmail accounts, same that actually. So if you don't have the account, we should create it. After that one, we can log in. So I already created website. I mean, I already created. So for example, I want to be make an action. I want to delete this one. Okay. Source of SOC. Yeah. So I already created one website here. Okay. Store SOC. I'm just opening that one. Or else here we can create the new site as well. It's up to your choice. If you not created it, what we can do here, we have a create new website, okay, and it's just only one website actually, so that we can't create the one more thing, okay. So I want to delete at least this one. So go to manage your website. This is the website, right? So WordPress. The databases are MySQL databases, PHP MyAdmin, or remote MySQL. So these are the things we can work on it in a database level. Okay, and only few options it can be supported. The reason is that it's only for practicing purpose. I'm sharing this information. Okay, so I already created this one so that I can directly open it, and how we can create this one also I can show you. Okay. Now here we have a tools, right? And now click on the tools, and here we have a database manager. And when we have a database manager, so I already created the database in my local machine, I mean in my server, okay, so that I can manage it. But you know what, we can create our own things. Maximum they have only two databases, okay. This web host, it's giving only one option for you. We can host only one website, and for that website it just have only two databases, okay. Clear. So I already created my own I already created my own database, so that I'm just open that one, PHP MyAdmin. Then you know, so here my database which we have some kind of tables are there. This is my store database. So this is my store database which is having the, okay, four tables I already created. Okay, I already created the four tables: agents, customers, orders, and products. Guys, are you following my point? this thing I already created in my server. In my server I already created. But the process of creating and everything, it could be easy. I will show you. What do you want it? Would you like to go for create the new website, or else would you like to go for execute this thing only from here itself? Which one you're liking? Jagdish, Joshna, and Sainath, can you please tell me? Would you like to go for execute the SQL queries here itself, or else would you like to delete this website and go for creating the new website, and how I can able to create the data?
So creating new website, we can.
Okay, okay, my sites. So here, how should I delete this one? Quick actions. I never tried to delete actually. This or permanently. Okay, this account I'm deleting it. Please tell us why you're leaving and improve ourselves. Again, I'm back. Okay. Yeah. So let's try to open that one. I think it won't open it because of I deleted, right? Okay. And try for it one more time for sake of confirmation. Okay, so this is not there. Now what I should do, I can go to new Gmail and click on the SOC software. So here SOC software. Let's go for the magic. So what you should do by the time it will send the mail for you. Okay, you can just read this one. Hey, hi there, SOC software. Welcome to 00 web host sandbox. Let's go get started. It will you a few minutes. Okay. So what you should do, we just need to open the mail. You might be getting the mail option for you. I mean, we need to activate that one. So here we got a small confirmation. Your online success is one step away. Choose Gyro website template and start yourself. You just click on the start building. So we can this way we can activate your web host. Let's create something magic. So here we have what you want to like to learn. Okay. So here we have learn web development, build an online store. Okay, and create web design and start blog. It's up to your choice. Okay. Basically, if you want to be most of the time SQL, and we are going to be using as a backend. So that click on the learn web development, then click on the continue. Here we have a name of for example, we can make it store SOC, and we can the password you don't need to remember it. Just click on it. This name is already existed, and so that I can make it like SOC1. So it is connecting to the server. Okay, it was taking some time. And so website name is stores SOC1 and submit. An internal error. Our developer have been notified. Uh, an issue is that we have an already SOC software website we already created, right? I mean, this web host we already have it previously. So what I should do, I have to be go for new credentials then. It could be an internal error because of no, I already created the website with the SOC credentials. So I can, so the next thing is that subscription 000 webhost.com. So click on the sign in. Instead of the sign in, first of all, we have to be sign up. Okay, here we have the one website, 300 MB desk, limited bandwidth. So this thing I'm selecting it, pre sign up. And here the mail ID is, we can consider the AJ Embedded Solutions, and password is some name, we can mention it. Okay, sign up, and we are going to be selecting verify. So this way we are sign up. Once we are sign up, it will take some time to create the website. So we are sent the confirmation mail to away, verify your mail address to continue our journey. Okay. So what you should do, we have to open your mail ID, which mail ID you mentioned there, and we should open that particular mail ID, and we need to activate it. Okay. So here, just click on this one, the upgrade. Um, where it is available. Social, my social also. We already have it. Now updates. Updates also we don't have it. Okay, then let's check in spam. You are not. we were not received it. If and only if you receive it, then only we can go forward actually. Okay. Mhm. Usually we should get it. Okay. Guys, it is not uh, created yet. So we should verify the mail, but we are not received the mail from this website. Okay. So for that one, we just need to go for our post, sign in. So sign in. I have another website. I have another account. I'm opening that one. Okay. It's being late, right? Okay, just I'm giving the credentials. I already remember this one. So this way we just created actually. Okay. If you're facing any issue, you can let me know. I will tell you by the time of doing. Okay. So you just created yourself, and then after manage it. So here we have a manage option is there, right? So you just need to go to your specific location and you just create the create website. That's it. Once if you create the website, then we can create the database. I will show you how we can create the database. Too much. there could be error in an internal error. There could be some issue in this particular website this moment. Okay, they're not connecting in a better way because if it's a free, right? So what we can do, MySQL online database for practice. We just click on the MySQL. Practice compiler. Okay. Yeah. Coding room onecompiler.com. Okay, so onecompiler.com here. So for example, this is the one particular okay compiler. Okay, usually it is something like this only. Okay, I want to be creating the table. So how, what kind of table I want to be created? Creating the table. First, how we can create the table? Tell me how we can create the table. Just now tell me what is the command we should use it. Create table name, right? Guys, are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
Actually, that
Yes, sir.
website is not working in a proper way, so that I know what I did actually. So I'm going for creating the. Okay, I'm going to be using another compiler. It's online compiler. Okay, MySQL I'm using it. So I want to be creating the one particular. So I'll just show you. Mhm. Table. So here we have a customer's data. Yeah, you can open this one. You will not. You will find out. Make it this one in the right side. Okay. So you have database something like this. Or else just open the direct. See, here we can able to find out the customer table, right? So what are the tables we can find here? Customer table, agent table, and products table. We are able to look. We can able to find, right? I would like to go for create these three tables with that particular names. There, these three tables are the CAD, AAD, and PAD. So in a customer table, CAD; in an agent table, AAD; in a product table, here PAD. Okay, these three are the primary keys. Okay, create a table and customer is my table name. Okay, now open open parenthesis and a closed parenthesis. In between these two things, what I want to make it, I want to give you, columns names and column data type. Okay, so here CID is my column name, and here C001, right? That means a varchar. Okay, so where a char we have different names. We have it varchar of 32. So which means that so it can be holding the maximum 32 characters. Next one is CNAME. CNAME in the sense customer name. So customer name and followed by the, it's here also it's a varchar only. Okay, because of It's a purely characters, right? So varchar of 32. Next one is city. So city, right? City, it is also varchar only because of there the data it was in a characters only. Varchar of 32. Next, last but not least, which is the discount. The SCNT discount which is an integer format, right? So that I can mention here int. So as of now this is fine, but what I said you actually I want to make it CID is the primary key, right? How we can create the primary key? How we can create the primary key? CID is the primary key. How we can make it the primary key? Tell me. I already told you in my previous class how we can make it the primary key in a one particular column. Tell me, guys. So we have a if you want to create the primary key, make sure that it doesn't have the null. Okay, so that here CID varchar, okay, data type, and followed by the, and it could not be the null. Okay, we have to mention that it could not be the null. And at last, after you creating the everything or all columns, then I want to make it the CID is the primary key. Okay, so we have a primary constraint, primary, okay, followed by the key, and then open parenthesis and close the parenthesis. Inside of it we have to mention the column name. So this is the way we can able to create the primary key. Okay, let's run this one. If you're running this one, okay, so line 4, you have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponding to your MySQL server version, the right syntax to use in 32. So make it this one, text, text, make it this one, text. Okay, now we can run it. Line key specification without key length. Make sure that, guys, it's not square brackets, it's a parenthesis. Sorry for inconvenience. So make it open parenthesis and close the parenthesis. We should give the data, or we should fix the size inside of the parenthesis. Okay, now we can run it. Once if you're running, the program did not output anything because of its you created the table, right? It's if this is the not if this is the statement, it's not giving any kind of error in the sense, which means that you create the table actually. Okay, once if you're creating the table, then I want to be insert the data. How we can insert the data? Insert into table, insert into table, table name. Table name is the customers, right? Customers, values, and here we should have the open parenthesis and the closed parenthesis. Then here the first CAD is okay, C001, right? And the next one is C name, right? C name is, what is the C name? Tip top. So make it tip top, okay. And the city is Duluth, and next one is just discount, right? Discount is for example 10, okay. This way we can run this particular command, insert into, is it correct syntax? So I think here table is not needed. Insert into table name and values. Hmm? What's the error, guys? Can you find out here? What's the error? Can anyone tell me what is the error here? I already told you insert method as well, but you're not able to find the what error you made it here. See, when you're inserting, you don't need to mention the column name. If you want to mention the column name, okay, so after insert into table name and followed by the column names, then followed by the values, okay. But we directly assign when you are using the columns of functions, okay, sorry, values function, we should provide only values, not these things. We don't need to mention the column names, okay. Now we can run it. So the program is inserted, right? One more time I want to be execute the same thing with a different values, okay. For example, this time 002, and so name of the customer name is Sai, and city name is Hyderabad. For example, discount is 5%, okay. We can run this one. If we run this one, okay, the program again which created. Now what I would like to do, again I want to insert one more record. This time Jagadish, right? And he is also from Hyderabad, okay. For example, discount is 4%. So I would like to go for insert one more record. So this way we can able to insert the records, okay. After you're inserting the records, my intention is that I would like to be, okay, I would like to be select the all information, select all records. If you want to be select the all records, so which command we should use it, guys? Select is the command, and star will use it for to access the all the columns and all the records, and then followed by the from, and followed by the table name. So this is the command. It can help you to access the all the records, and here it is showing that output is CAD, CNAME, and city and discount, right? And here a little bit of name of the Jagadish is more, so that the line alignment was, it was a little different. Now I want to find out the customers. I just want access only customers from the Hyderabad. Okay, select all customers, all customer records with fields. That means you want to go for accessing all the fields based on Hyderabad. Okay, so for that one we can use the where class. Select star from, star will use it for accessing the all the records from the all the fields. Okay, select from customers, then where clause we should use it. Where is the clause, it can help you to make it the condition. Here my condition is city is Hyderabad. Okay, if this who's the customers are belongs to Hyderabad city, those guys I want to be access it. Okay, okay, so select this particular query, and then what you should do, we just need to run it. Okay, so table, line table, customer does not exist. Actually you made a mistake, it's a small c not a capital C. Okay, you just need to select this one and run it. So this is the record, guys. Okay, this is the thing. So CAD, CNAME, city, and discount. Only these two guys we are getting an output. Okay, so make it this one. Comment. Now we can run it. Yes. See, we are accessing only the people who are in the customer related to, okay, Hyderabad guys, right? Now I want to update the Jagadish name. I want to update the Jagadish name by uh, Dish. Dish. Okay. I want to update it. How we can update it? Simple thing is updating the C003 name. Okay. I want updating the C003 name. So now we can use the update. So guys, tell me what's the command we can use it. Update table and followed by the table name, followed by the table name, and then set cname. We can use the set command. Cname equal to, I want to set the name is, for example, Jagadish. Okay, because of it's a little long, right? So where you want to be updated, where the CAD is 003. Okay, C003. If this is the command is executed successfully, then this is the thing is not working. It is because of that one we are getting an error. Now we can run it. We can run it. Error name line 46. We had now error SQL syntax manual that corresponding SQL right syntax table customers. Update, update customers table. Mhm. This is correct only. Update table name is the customer table or customers table? Customers only. Mm, update unknown column name C name. Is the C name is not there? Oh, I made a mistake actually. It's a C name, but by the time of creation I used the name is CANME. CANME. Okay, that's my mistake. By the time of creation I used the name is different thing. Okay, so now we can run it. Update table name and followed by the set. After that one, after you set what you want to do it, so we can use the select star from. Okay, and customer tables customers. Then if I run this particular command, then I may get the records. So here instead of the Jagadish, here we have only Jaga, right? So this is the way we can create the table and we can insert the data and we can access the data, and what data you want to access with the help of the where class we can do it. And meanwhile, if you want to update any specific record, we can do it with the help of the okay update command. So meanwhile, I would like to go for using the delete command. So how we can able delete, guys? For delete, we can use the delete. Okay. So delete only some specific records. So delete only some specific records. Okay. Delete. We can use the from and followed by the name of the table, customers. Then okay. So here we should use the where class. If you're not using the where class, all data can be deleted. Okay, I want to delete the CAD C001. This is the record I want to be deleted. Okay, so after you delete it, can look for the select start from table. You can see now. Okay, so previously you have the C001, right? That particular record you deleted it with help of the delete command. Okay, clear or not? Any question till now? Any questions, guys, till now?
Clear, sir.
I want to find the I want to find the, or else I would like to go for insert the same record. This record I want to be executed. So again, we are inserting it. So after inserted, I just want to look at what are the records are there, how many records are there. Okay. So for that one, we can use the select start from customers. Okay, run it. Okay. Inserted, right? Now we can run it. Yes, now we have the three records. So out of these three records, I want to find the I want to find um, the name of the customer who's having the name of the customer. I want to find out the name of the customer who's having the, okay. So having is the clause actually. So that having I was not explained. Having clause I can explain tomorrow. Okay, I just want to find the, you know, max value. Okay, so select, so max of, we can use the max function, and maximum discount, whose maximum discount from customers table. So if you run this one, we got the discount is max discount is 10, right? Meanwhile, I want to find the smallest discount for the customer. Okay, so we can use the min function. By the way, we can able to find the min and max discounts. And meanwhile, I want to find the customer name and C name. Okay, now we can run it. If we run this one, Mhm. Only max and min we can find in this moment. Okay, so guys, as of now, which functions we understood? Creating the table, inserting the data, updating the data, and deleting the data, and selecting some kind of information what exactly we require. Clear? Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please note this all commands, or else take the screenshot and execute it in your local computer? So as of now, we are working on the only single table, right? Maybe in a real time, we are not working with a single table. Might be we need to work with multiple tables. That time, how we will do it, we will discuss by tomorrow's session. Okay? I can I can upload this recording into our specific library, okay, playlist library, and we can able to go for access this recording. Okay? Bye, guys. See you.
Sir,
Yep.
can you link up my email ID for this SQL recording, sir? Is there any separate?
No, no, no. So I think I would like to check with that. See here, people having it. Joshna, you already there, Joshna. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye, guys.